Hey, how you doing? This is Said Khan from affiliateship.com and I'm back with another video for you. So today we're going to talk about why you must have your own website for sustainable affiliate marketing business. Okay, there are many strategies out there, to make money with affiliate marketing. Some are working now but may not work in the future. Some are working now and may work in the future, and some just don't work much at all. Okay, i.e. direct link into an affiliate offer without any pre-frame or building list. Okay, that's happening. People are doing it, but your chances are very slim, and it's not a sustainable way to do things like that. Okay, some of the common affiliate marketing strategies are, for example, direct linking, as I mentioned, bridge pages, reverse squeeze pages, and lead magnet funnels, etc. Okay, whatever strategies that you implement, there's one thing that you must do if you want to, long-lasting, sustainable affiliate marketing business. That is to have your own affiliate marketing home on the internet, i.e. your website. Okay, in other words, to have a dedicated website for your affiliate marketing niche that you're promoting, in addition to implementing whatever it is that you're doing. Okay, so I've seen in some trainings, where they advise that you just need a funnel with 2-3 pages, and that's it. You can have an instant business. Technically, it's true. You can potentially run with just that alone, a small funnel, 2-3 page funnel. And no, you don't definitely need a website. Heck, you don't even need to build a 2-3 page funnel. You can just post your affiliate links, in places online and offline where it's allowed, and you can potentially make sales, right? As mentioned, this is not, this is the least successful strategy out there. And these days, it may have worked okay in the past, but with this strategy, you're not really building your most important asset, which is your email list. And I certainly don't do these things, this way, as I've learned from my mentor who teaches to avoid marketing in these types of ways. Okay, advice like this I take seriously and implement, especially when it's coming, the lessons are coming from someone who's had over a decade of affiliate marketing experience, and a multiple 7-figure earner. So definitely, I take these things seriously. Okay, so if you want to be in affiliate marketing for the long haul, and here's some reasons why having your own home on the internet, i.e. a dedicated website, is crucial for your long-term success. So you can become a trusted authority, which is paramount to generating affiliate sales, because it's been proven that people buy from people, okay, who they trust. So on the topic of trust, that your website will allow you to build a relationship of know, like, and trust with your audience, subject to you, of course, providing valuable based content, being honest, ethical, and generally, being a helping friend to your audience. Okay, your website will can provide you with an ongoing passive traffic, leads, and sales, as your marketing page and systems will be active online, serving on your behalf, doing the explaining, telling, and selling for you, of your affiliate offers that you're promoting. With a website, your affiliate marketing business will be open 24/7, 365 days a year. Having a website will instantly be open your affiliate marketing business on a global scale, as it can be accessed from all around the world and potentially generate traffic, leads, and sales on it, internationally. A website can also help you build a brand around your affiliate marketing business, and building a high quality brand is one of the most important things you can do if you want to have a long lasting affiliate marketing business that people would love to do business with. Okay, your website can increase your credibility and make you more professional, and your audience are likely to trust you more and do business with you. Within your website, you can also add a blog, a section, on your website, and you can publish content, to attract more people and increase your visibility on the internet. Okay, having a dedicated website loaded with ongoing value and high quality content that's relevant to your niche, your website will also grow over time to become a solid, sustainable business asset that could still be valuable in the marketplace, regardless of whatever new marketing trends come and go. Okay, if you'd like to build an affiliate marketing website around your brand, then let me share with you my favorite resource that specializes in building affiliate marketing websites. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, Wealthy Affiliate is an online platform that provides high quality, beginner friendly, and advanced affiliate resources to help anyone start their own affiliate marketing business. The resources include step-by-step trainings, affiliate website builders tools. You get community support forums, with the like-minded people that you're going to meet who are also in the same boat. Some advanced, some beginners, but everyone helps each other out, and you can be in that community, ask for help, and seek help offer your advice when you become, more experienced as well. So it's a very nice platform. I've signed up for it. They got a free option as well that you can sign up, and you can get started completely free, where they help you start you off with learning affiliate marketing and building your affiliate marketing business. If you're interested in that, you can certainly check it out. No risk for you. I'll put a link in the description below, but I'll also put a link right now, which you can check out if you want to. So it is affiliateship.com/WA. Okay, so affiliateship.com/WA. And if you also want to some free resources from my website, from affiliateship.com, packed with some affiliate resource to help you build an affiliate website, you can check out affiliateship.com/free. Okay, so that's it for now, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment, and take care.